Continuing on this superannuation statement series, what to check. This one is about checking on your insurance benefits or what you are protected for, what you're paying, and to make sure that you do have the right level of cover and the premiums aren't getting too expensive and eating away at your superannuation balance. So in the screen above me here, this is the front page of a superannuation statement. You can see there the high level summary on this statement, which is the death, total and permanent disability, and also the income insurance amounts of cover on this one. And it also gives you a total summary of the annual premiums on this page. But let's dig a little bit deeper and find some more detail here in this super statement. So when you dig a bit deeper into your statement, you'll see some richer detail within your superannuation statement. Up here, we've got a bit more detail around the death, TPD, and income insurance. So pinch the screen if it's hard to read, but I'll go through this in a little bit more detail. So for this particular insurance, the age-based death cover is what this super fund offers. And there's some detailed information in there about what the monthly premium is, and the amount of cover that you have and how that age-based death cover works. And in this example, it does start to reduce after a certain age. So check your fund and make sure this is appropriate for you. Similar with the total and permanent disability and also the income insurance, you can see the specific amounts of premiums you pay for each of those covers. And also there's some notes in there that tells you about what those benefits will do for you. So for example, here for the income insurance, you can see there that the benefit period is to age 65, and there is much richer detail in this section. So whilst this section here is, we've covered off a little bit previously, it does also tell you what's happening each month in your insurance premiums and what's being deducted from your fund in this section, the money out section. So go and have a look and make sure that correlates with the other information that is in your statement, which is what you're covered for and what your premiums are for each of your covers. Then the last thing here, which often confuses people when they look at this, if you have a look up here, there's some figures here that state in the case of your death, how much money would come out to, your beneficiaries really, and I'll do a video on beneficiaries also. So you can see here, this person's current balance is 440 odd thousand. Then they've got the insured amount, which is $368,000. So then you get your grand total of what the total benefit would be in the event of death. So in the event of death, it is your balance plus your insurance, which is the total death benefit. So I hope that's given you a little bit more clarity around insurance information and how to decipher that for yourself in your superannuation statement. If you've got any questions or comments, pop them in the comment section, and happy to explore in more detail the insurances in superannuation.